you with anything you need that has to do with real estate. And we want to watch each jumper makes their way right back to Show Center. They fly those parachutes like we talked about a minute ago. They work just like a wing. You can see them spinning and descending faster. They can pull on the either side and they can make it turn. They can slow it down. When it gets down low, you can see that the airfoil is actually inflated with air beside it and flowing through it that helps create shape. And maneuvering so that they can land right here at Show Center. Some of them making the approach directly above you like that right there. Now I know they can hear you now, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you will please stand if you're able. Gentlemen, remove cover, and now our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets rang out the bomb's bursting yea, through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Aaron Boone, Christian Stinson, ladies and gentlemen. On this aircraft and his amazing piloting skills. Watch as he climbs high to your left, rolls the aircraft to the left, and then lets the energy lead off right here as he gets to the top of the climb. Watch what he does. Pulls it over, pushes the nose over. Look at that. Tumble end over end, upside down, ladies and gentlemen. How about that, Magnolia? Oh man, Mike is really ringing it out. Now I talked to him earlier this morning. He was super energized. I don't know if he had a whole bunch of coffee today or what. He is super wound up to be here and proud to be in Orlando. Here you can see him giving you just a really quick glimpse of what this aircraft can do. Now he's going to continue to show you some of these capabilities as he's high and to the right. Watch here as he lets the airspeed, this energy just bleed out of that. Then he's going to put it on the knife edge. He's standing on the wingtip there, ladies and gentlemen, and then roll it back into the 45-degree down line, make his way right back to you here at Show Center. And I'm hearing on the radio that they apparently, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Goulian from the right. There goes the Cybertruck. Who's going to win? Come on, Orlando, let's hear it. Who's going to win? Oh, come on, Orlando. Let's give it up for Scooter. He's on. Let's listen and watch. Yeah. Come on, Orlando. Let's give it up. That was close. Brittany Intro reflective life jackets and carry internationally recognized signaling devices such as flares to assist the Coast Guard in their search. You can see the helicopter circling to the left. The helicopter will fly a figure 8 over the injured person looking for our downed crew member. See if you can spot our downed crew member out here near Show Center. Now as you see the rescue swimmer coming out shortly, they serve a vital role within the crew. Trained as an emergency medical technician and a survival specialist, the rescue swimmer is frequently deployed to a vessel or directly to the beautiful shot here of Mr. Buck Roman. Notice when he got to the top of that vertical, he pushed the nose over. That harness holding him in kept the airplane trying to throw him out right out the top, but the harness held him in. Reserve if needed. Thank goodness he didn't need it there. How about that, Orlando? Tumbling that airplane end over end over end. Going to see is he's going to watch and make this airplane fly backward here in just a minute when he gets turned around. Here it is. Watch this. Straight back down, flopping it over, Mr. Breckman. Hey, Brittany, I heard him on the radio talking to the boss. He said that
Provide the slow speed and
Okay.
the super word
Okay.
air on that arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the section High Alpha Prab.
Ends if you're there, right?
I wanna buy this goddamn racing car, my nigga. You know why, my nigga? It got home BT. Nigga racer. God motherfucker damn. Nigga racer. I wanna buy that bitch, nigga. Super deep bad boy.